Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to show Facebook follower or show Facebook following list. So let's see how to do that. And then right top corner, three button option, click here and then choose and open Facebook profile picture and Facebook profile name. Click on it and then choose and open edit profile and then scroll down and then edit, click on it. Followers followed by 99 people and then click on it. Followed by 99 people will show at the top of your profile and is still public. And then save option, click here. Here you can see followed by 99 people. That's when I can easily show my Facebook following list or show Facebook followers. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.